We're at the Vancouver Aquarium where we've been awarded a contract to provide a complete temporary boiler package that will heat the air and the water in the Amazon jungle exhibit in the main building behind me. The existing boiler that heats this space has reached its life expectancy and needs to be replaced. In order for that to happen, a complete temporary package needs to be brought in and made operational. We've landed two 1.2 million BTU hydronic boilers on the rooftop. We've put down foam insulation and plywood to protect the roof membrane and the structure of the building. We've mounted these units inside our custom frames. They not only protect the unit from damage, but they allow us to hoist the units wherever they need to go. We've positioned the two units on the roof as close to the existing boiler house as we could, so that the hose runs are as short as possible. This is a control panel for our units. This control panel allows us to monitor operating pressures and temperatures, indicator lights, show us conditions, and if there's a problem, we'll see that as well. These two units offer us piles of capacity. In fact, they afford us a form of redundancy. If outdoor air conditions change, if it gets colder, or if they need more heat inside the facility, we've got that sitting here ready to go on the rooftop. We'll have our equipment in place for the 8-week length of this project. We'll stay in touch with the mechanical contractor that's installing the new boilers to make sure that everything's running smoothly and everything's on track. Once the new equipment is operational, our equipment will be shut off, but not removed. It'll actually stay on the roof for a week. And that's a trial period to make sure it's delivering everything that it needs to be, its reliability, they get the bugs out of the system. Then we can go away. We'll remove all of our hoses, we'll lift everything off the roof. It'll go back to the shop where we'll check it all out and get it ready for the next opportunity.
Really happy Cool Air looked after us. I don't like wearing jackets at all.